A new day is upon us, new trading, new victories.
And still the same robot with an average 90% passability. Hi! This is the MaxBot channel.
Now I will again show you how to make good money with an effective neural network.
I start on the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. The expiry time is 3 minutes and the investment amount will be $100. The bot is quick to issue a recommendation. Higher.
Our team is giving you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the robot for free, after which you can buy it at a 90% discount and work without limits at all. There are 10 places left at the discount.
Link in the description. Now let's look at the historical data.
In the last minutes, the buyers have been more active in saturating the market with volumes. Before that they had periods of less intensity. However, an hour ago they managed to raise the price a bit, after which the bears resisted again. If we look at this picture as a whole, we can trace a trend. Now the price has bounced back from a strong support area, and since the bulls' volumes are impressive, I am sure that success awaits us in this 3-minute time frame.
I think that the robot gave this signal because it was thinking the same way.
The artificial intelligence saw a trend that indicates a large potential for buyers in the coming minutes. Yes, even flat periods won't hurt us in such a case, because the potential moves the price higher. Bit by bit. Smoothly. But it will go higher. Let's wait for the end of the trade and see if the robot and I were right.
Attention!
We are running a massive contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. Meanwhile, we can observe a favorable situation on the price movement chart, which confirms my thoughts in the bot signal. The bulls can really make a difference now. So, $79 have been deposited into the account. That's a good start. Now I will change the currency pair and make a second trade on the 2-minute expiry time. I'm going to enter the market on the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc currency pair. The investment amount will be higher, $250. Lower. This is a recommendation from the neural network. Also, MaxBot pointed out that now there is a weakened news background on the market. Price fluctuations are reduced. It's time to take another look at the historical data. I will open the TradingView service and discuss the price movement again. Sellers saturated the market with volumes evenly during the past 2 hours. Buyers provided equal resistance, therefore, sideways movement is observed on the chart most of the time. There were some moments of price growth after rebounding from powerful support zones. But there was no impulsive development. And now the indicators in the chart tell us that the price began to decline. I think that within the 2-minute expiry time it will play a decisive role. It turns out that the bot caught the trend, calculated whether the bears would be strong enough to continue it. The artificial intelligence checked with additional tools and data how reliable this trend is and gave a verdict. I trusted the robot and am waiting for the result. The developers made the robot a real trader with 9 years of experience. They have implemented a lot of top skills into it. The bot's arsenal includes the ability to use 30 indicators, candlestick analysis, price action, and, of course, technical analysis. This is how its high passability and speed of thinking is achieved. This is a combination of the most important skills multiplied by coolness and neural network algorithms. We are stepping into the future. To be more precise, the future is already here. So, the second trade is successful. The account received $217.50. It's time to improve the result and make the final, third transaction. I will enter the market on the time frame of 1 minute. The investment will be doubled. Now it's $500. To get a signal, just press the 2 keys corresponding to the settings. So, the bot has issued a forecast, higher. News has a significant impact on the price. Volatility is increased. Friends, in the description under the video you can find a link to our Telegram channel with feedback. And right now you can see some of them on the screen. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. And I remind you, after purchase you will get access to the VIP chat, where you can get forecasts from super experienced experts. And here's the end of the deal. The bot was right again, its signals are accurate. The account received $435. Total profit for this trading session, for 3 deals, $731.50. Thanks for your attention, guys. Participate in our big contest, which I told you about in detail today. Subscribe to our interesting Telegram channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to always be informed about the main events. See you soon here.